Well, once again, my name is Tyler McCulley. We're going to get a train today, so might be something coming from the eastbound. Find out what it is. I seen the train on our flashing light. Let's see what we got. BNSF Autorack. Got an Autorack. One. Symbol of that train was BNSF 9-44CW. Train starts out in San Diego, California, heads eastbound on its way to stop at Galesburg, Illinois. Take two Toyota cars and trucks to Elwood, Illinois, closest by Chicago. Happened on Monday, April 11, 2022 by Tyler McCulley. Wide World of Trains on YouTube. But he had one honk today. That seemed odd. Here's the next video. Roll it.